Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can create or add a new task to your projects on GanttPro in 2026. So let us dive into this. So head over to your GanttPro account, navigate also to your project. Let me go with this one here and select the view here at the top like Gantt, board, list, calendar, and so on and so forth. I will go with the Gantt chart. So here to the left, you will see the tasks listed under task name. So if you'd like to add a new task, simply click into add task here at the lowermost row, which is in this case here row number 3. Click into that button and give your task a name, like for instance, prepare, I don't know, to-do list or something like that. And press enter or click into the checkmark button to create the task. Now, as you can see, you can create more tasks in these rows below, and you can also customize these already created tasks. You can rename them, for example. Let me just correct the typo here. And you can also assign your team members to it, set a status, and so on and so forth. And here to the right, you will see your created task in that Gantt view. And from here, you can move it along your timeline. And that's it. That's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.